Grids are absolutely everywhere. Chessboards, tic-tac-toe, even your phone's number pad. Time to master the art of grid creation. Today we're building amazing grid systems. We'll create numbered grids like phone keypads, build coordinate systems for games, make alternating checkerboard patterns, and discover where grids are used. Let's build our first grid, a numbered grid just like a phone keypad. The secret is using a counter variable that increases after each position. We print the number, add a space, then increment our counter. Perfect! Look at that beautiful 3x3 numbered grid. Each number appears exactly once, filling left to right, top to bottom, just like a phone keypad. Next up, coordinate grids. These are super useful for games because they show the exact position of each cell. We just print the row and column numbers as coordinates. Beautiful coordinate system. This creates a 3x4 grid where each cell shows its exact position. Perfect for building games like tic-tac-toe or Battleship. Now for the ultimate grid trick, a checkerboard pattern. The magic happens when we add row plus column. If it's even, we print a star. If it's odd, we print an O. This creates perfect alternating squares. The row plus column mod 2 trick works because adjacent cells always have row plus column values that differ by exactly 1. That's why the pattern alternates perfectly. Incredible! Look at that perfect checkerboard pattern. The alternating symbols create that classic chessboard look because adjacent cells always have different row plus column totals. Remember these key grid techniques. For sequential numbering, use a counter variable. For coordinates, print row and column directly. For alternating patterns, use row plus column mod 2. Challenge time. In a 4x4 grid, which positions would be at the center? Remember, we start counting from 0. Exactly. In a 4x4 grid, there are actually 4 center positions, 1,1 and 1.2 and 2.1 and 2.2. Even-sized grids don't have a single center point. Outstanding work, Gridmaster! You can now create sequential numbered grids, coordinate systems for games, and alternating checkerboard patterns. Grids are everywhere, and you've conquered them all.